front of me is POCO F6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change your keyboard's theme. Begin by clicking on this color palette located at the top of your keyboard. Then tap on the best theme for you. I will go with this one. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher and hit apply. As you can see, after that, theme of my keyboard has changed right away. If you want to customize it though, you can always do that by tapping on the same color palette, but this time selecting this plus icon under my themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. As you can see, this time theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!